Hi, I'm Timothy Van Riper.
And I'm Stephen Gandolfi.
Coming to you once again from the tasting room here at Westport Whiskey and Wine. And of course, since we're not doing any of our usual videos as we're deep in a pandemic, we're going to continue to do our grab bag focus videos. And Tim's going to start off with one of the new ones.
I got the Staycation. I'm actually really excited about this bag because it has the Hard Truth toasted coconut rum. If you have it, it's stupid good.
It's so tasty.
It's sea salt and toasted coconut. So spotlighting that because it's a tasty rum. But yeah, this is the Staycation. So it's cranberry juice, lime juice, a little bit of vodka, and the toasted coconut rum. This is kind of like more or less the local bag because everything in here, minus obviously the vodka, is from Kentucky or Indiana. So Staycation local bag, and first 6 people will get this really awesome chew toy for your dog. You stay at home and vacation, play with your dog.
Next up, we've got in our series of wine bags we've been doing. This is our spring bag, and this has been really moving well for us. It's got a lineup of some wines that are great for this kind of time of year. Some of these we've already talked about. You know, you've heard me talk about the Guggenheim ad nauseum, so we'll skip that. And I want to touch real quick on these 3. So here we've got the Scarpetta Prosecco. This is a beautiful, light, elegant, little crisp Prosecco. Classic Coppola Rosé, beautiful, kind of strawberry notes, very floral. And lastly, this little Leftie white is interesting because aside from being a white blend, it undergoes a secondary fermentation with pineapple juice. And so it's got a slightly kind of like sweet tart, that prickly feeling you get in your mouth when you're drinking pineapple juice, characteristic to it, which really livens it up. But keep an eye out for that this week. It is going to be $65 for the 6 bottles. And of course, we're still in Mint Julep month, and our friends at the Louisville Convention and Visitors Bureau have been really hyped on the Mint Julep bag that we've been doing. Right now, we're still doing just a classic Woodford mint syrup, Copper Cups, and Kentucky Straight Ice. That's going for $58. So yeah, these are some of the bags this week. Of course, we've got other ones. We are kind of trimming down on what we've been doing. We've been experimenting a lot with what's working. We're looking at what isn't working, and still trying to give you all like just the best deal and most interesting things that we can. New beers with Bashir, all summer beers coming out this Friday too, and also this Friday, a couple of other weird things.
Really quick, let me mention this is going to be a $57 bag. I failed to mention that as I was talking about. Got really excited about this rum, but we have a special Michter's bag. Keep your eyes peeled for that because it's gonna blow some tops. And then I'm actually proud to announce I'm really excited about this. Our Elijah Craig barrel is going to be here finally. Your prayers are answered.
Yeah, after I think we picked that one in September of last year.
It's been a minute.
But finally be landing, hopefully today. This video should go up on Friday. I think we'll have it today if you're watching this. Keep an eye out for the app. Of course, always download the app. It's the best way to stay abreast of barrel releases and different things we're doing. But yeah, I think that wraps it up for this week.
Yeah, definitely.
I'm Timothy Van Riper.
And I'm Stephen Gandolfi. See you next time.